Today we are going to talking about how to calculate three measures of central tendency. Central tendency is a single value that attempts to describe a set of data by identifying the central position within that set of data. There are three most common measures of central tendency. They are mean, median, and mode. Mean is the average of all number, which means that we sum all of value in the data and divide by the number of value of this set of data. There are two types of mean. One is population mean, one is sample mean. They are just adding all number divided by the n. Mean is the average of all number. They will be very affected by the extreme value, which are the very large or very small data. Therefore, people will use median. Median talking about the midpoint of the ordered value. The first step to find the median, we will arrange the number in a sequential order, from smaller to larger or from larger to smaller. If there are odd number of score, we just choose the middle one. If there are even number of score, we will take the average of the middle of two score. There are the last way to measure central tendency is the mode, which is found the most frequently occurring number or score. Mode can also be used for the category data, which we want to know which one occur more or most common category. In other case, we may sometimes want to calculate the mean of a group data. There are few steps to calculate the mean of a group data. The first step is find the midpoint of each class interval. The second way is to find the number of each class, and then we multiply the midpoint with the frequency and they add together, divide by the total frequency. In this example, there are 25 staff who come to office by class. Therefore, we firstly determine the midpoint of each interval. For 0 to less than 10, the midpoint is 5, and then we multiply each midpoint by the frequency of that class, and then we add them all value, and then total divide by 25. So we will get 21.8. Therefore, each person spend on average 21.8 hours to go to work. How about to measure the median of a group data? Is it hard to find the middle value of a group data? Therefore, we will look at the median class first. Median class is the class containing the middle value. With the median class, we can calculate the median. Firstly, we have lower limit L of the median class, and then we will have the n divided by 2 minus the cumulative frequency of the preceding class of median class, and then divide by the frequency of the median class and time h is the width of the class. This is example of how to find median. Firstly, we will locate the median class is 125 to 145, and then we calculate CF, the cumulative value of preceding class, and then we will have the median is equal to 125 plus 34 minus 22 divided by 20 times 20. In other case, we also hard to find a model in a group data. We will look at the model class, which is the class have the higher frequency. With the help of model class, we also can calculate mode by the equation. Firstly, we have the lower limit of the motor car, and then the difference between the motor cars minus the previous cars, and then divide by the two frequency of motor car minus the previous car and the cars after, and then time h. Therefore, go back to the last example, we will find the motor car is 16 to 18 with frequency 61. We can find the mode with this equation.